Good morning students, welcome back to Shada Maths channel. Now in this video I am posting the JEE Mains problem from the previous papers. Okay, let us start the class. The question is, if cosecant theta is equal to p plus q by p minus q, then what is the value of the cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2? Okay. The question is, the value of the cosecant theta is given, that is equals to p plus q by p minus q. You have to find the value of the cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. So first write the given value here. Given that cosecant theta value. So from this, what is sin theta value? Simply take the reverse of this value. Since cosecant theta and sin theta both are reciprocals to each other, means the value of the cosecant theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Then the value of the sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant. So simply this is the reverse of the given value. Okay. Cosecant theta is equal to p plus q by p minus q, means sin theta is equal to p minus q by p plus q. Simply take the reverse of this value since these two are the reciprocal functions. Okay. Now, so two values are given, two sides values are given here from this value. So I am finding the third side also. So what is sin theta formula? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to p minus q. Hypotenuse is equal to p plus q. Okay. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Now I am finding the adjacent side value. What is adjacent formula? Adjacent is equals to square root of hypotenuse square minus side square. Adjacent formula is equal to hypotenuse square minus side square. That is p plus q whole square. Hypotenuse is equal to p plus q here. P plus q whole square minus side square is equal to p minus q whole square. Now taking the simplification, so this is equals to p plus q whole square is equal to p square plus q square plus 2pq minus of p minus q whole square is equals to p square plus q square minus 2pq. Okay. Now here plus p square minus p square gets cancelled. Plus q square minus q square gets cancelled. Apply the minus to these three values. Okay. And this is 2pq minus of minus plus 2pq. So the answer is equals to square root of 2pq plus 2pq is equal to 4pq. So this is the value of the adjacent side. But here root 4 is equals to 2. So the answer is adjacent side is equals to 2 root pq. Okay. So what is adjacent side formula here? Square root of hypotenuse square minus side square. Okay. Now this is equals to, finally you get the value of the adjacent side is equals to 2 root pq. Okay. Now see here. So what is the given question? Actually you want the value of the cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Okay. So here cosecant value is given. Cosecant theta value is given. From this I am taking the sin theta value. And then here I am finding the value of the adjacent side. What's the given question? Cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So first I am converting this formula in terms of tan theta. Okay, that is cot of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to, the formula is tan of pi by 4 minus theta. When you convert this cot in terms of tan, the angle becomes like that. Okay, cot of pi by 4 plus theta is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Okay, this is the first formula. And what is tan of pi by 4 plus theta formula? Pi by 4 minus theta is equal to, the formula is 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta. Okay, this is the formula of the tan of pi by 4 minus theta. So what you want? You want the tan of pi by 4 minus theta. That is equals to 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Okay, the formula for tan of pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. Now this is equals to, in the next step I am writing this value as, so 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus, I am writing this tan theta by 2 as sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 whole by 1 plus tan theta by 2. That is equals to 1 plus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Okay, simply write the tan as the sin by cos. Okay, this is the next step. First, cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 is equal to, the formula is tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Write the reciprocal function in the angle, the plus becomes the minus. And tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2 is equal to formula 1 minus tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan theta by 2. In the next step, I am writing this tan theta by 2 as sin by cos. Okay, now do the LCM. Cos theta by 2 into 1 is equals to cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Okay, after taking the LCM you get the value like that, cot theta by cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by denominator is also 1 into cot theta by 2 is equal to cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Simply do the LCM, then you get cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, the next step is, now here I am doing this is the next step, I am doing the rationalization to this one. Denominator is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. I am multiplying the fraction by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. Okay, see here, now this is in the form of the a plus b into a minus b. These two are in the form of the a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. Now check the denominator. These are in the form of the a plus b into a plus b. Cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. That is a plus b whole square. Okay. In the next step, take the expansion. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A square cos square theta by 2. B square sin square theta by 2. 2ab means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay. Now here, so this is equals to, okay, see here, cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 is equal to cos theta. What's up? And cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2 is equals to 1. 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 is equal to sin theta. Okay, simply replace the formulas here. This is the first one is equals to cos 2 theta. This is equals to 1. This is equal to sin theta. Okay, after that, okay, see here, already here I am having the value of the sin theta. So sin theta is equal to p minus q by p plus q. And what is cos theta value from this triangle? Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 2 root pq by p plus q. So in the last step, we replace these two sin theta cos theta values to get the required answer. So take the cos theta value from this right angle triangle. Okay, so see the values. What is cos theta? 2 root pq by p plus q. What is sin theta? P minus q by p plus q. Now doing the LCM. So this is equals to 2 root pq by p plus q whole by 1 into p plus q. 1 into p plus q is equals to p plus q plus p minus q by p plus q. Okay, the next step is doing the LCM. Now here p plus q gets cancelled. At the same time, q and plus q and minus q gets cancelled. What are the remaining values? 2 root p into root q. 2 root pq is nothing but 2 root p into root q by p plus p is equals to 2p. Now here 2 into gets cancelled. This root p is cancelled by root p times. So the final answer is equals to root q by root p. Okay, which is nothing but root q by p. Simply doing the LCM, take the common terms cancellation, then you get the answer is equal to root q by p, and that is nothing but the second option. Understand all of you? Very easy question. First, from the cosecant theta value, find the value of the sine theta. Next, find the adjacent value, and then replace the formula like that. Cot value is equal to, convert the cot angle as tan angle. For the easy calculation, just I am changing the formula like that. There is no other issue for this one. Okay, and write the formula for this one and take tan as sine, because next step after doing the LCM, do the rationalization. Now after that you get the values like that, and this becomes the cos theta, this becomes the 1, and this becomes the sine theta. Now simply replace the sine theta cos theta values here to get the required answer. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? Very easy question. Now I will continue the next sum in the next video. Until then, keep watching. Bye bye.